Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety your first action. Power down, remove the key, and disconnect the battery to avoid sparks. Next, check the battery label 36V or 48V and have a multimeter and basic torque/hex set ready. Once done, perform a quick visual sweep of the deck, tires, cable runs, connectors, and brake sensor. This catches obvious failures and focuses your troubleshooting. Make sure to take photos of connector orientations so reconnection is simple and correct. You now confirm where power is lost by measuring battery voltage both open circuit and under light load. A big drop under load points to weak cells or a bad connection. Then, trace cables from battery to controller and motor. Wiggle connectors while watching voltages to reveal intermittent faults. Once that's clear, probe throttle, brake cutoff, and hall sensor lines. These typically use 3 to 5 volts, so checking signal presence and continuity tells you whether the control chain is intact. You finish by replacing corroded or damaged plugs, applying dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion, and securing loose cables so nothing chafes. If a fuse or controller failed diagnostics, swap it for a verified good unit. Always double-check polarity and torque on battery terminals. Once reassembled, perform a stage test. Raise the wheel, apply gentle throttle, listen and feel for motor response, then test brakes and speed limits. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate subsystems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.